24 hours after the Indore-Patna Express derailed near Kanpur, operations were underway to rescue those stuck inside. In fact, the rescue operations have just a while back been called off. This after the death toll climbed over 140, making this tragedy the worst disaster in the last 7 years. In fact, several difficulties were faced by the rescue teams. The first two coaches extremely mangled. They had telescoped into each other, which basically means that they had almost melded into each other, ending up as a huge solidified piece of metal, extremely difficult to extract the bodies from within. Yesterday evening, the chance of survivors was extremely slim, and just a few minutes ago, the rescue operation finally called off with a horrific death toll of 146 at the end of the day.
आपने जो पूरा इस प्रकरण में अगर जांच की बात करें तो जांच पे क्या निर्णय लिया गया है?
नहीं, देखिए, हमारा जो यहाँ बनता है कि हमारे यूपी के टेरिटरी में जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है और करीब 145 जाने गई हैं, तो जैसे केस रजिस्टर होता है एक मुकदमा रजिस्टर होगा। डीजी रेलवेज जो हमारे हैं वो उसको कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं और क्या धारा लगाएंगे क्या लगाएंगे वो सब उसका मैटर ऑफ डिटेल्स वो करें। हमारा जो इमीडिएट वो था कि रेस्क्यू रिलीफ ऑपरेशन जो हम कल घटना होने के तुरंत बाद हमारे पुलिस प्रशासनिक अधिकारी सब मौके पर पहुंचे।
सर, कुछ रिपोर्ट्स हैं कि S2 कोचेस में से कुछ पैसेंजर्स ने अलर्ट किया था पहले से।
दैट इज अ मैटर ऑफ द रेलवेज विल प्रोबब्ली गो इनटू दोज डिटेल्स कि कॉज ऑफ एक्सीडेंट, वो साउंड की बात, ये तो लोगों को वो है नहीं ये में जानकारी, बट दिस इज व्हाट हैज बीइंग सेड एंड न्यूज़पेपर में भी रिपोर्ट हुआ। सो दोज इश्यूज विल, आई एम श्योर, विल बी टेकन इनटू अकाउंट।
ट्रैक की क्रैकिंग या फिर
इफ दैट्स अ मैटर ऑफ द रेलवेज टू लुक इनटू दैट, एंड आई एम श्योर कि रेलवे अथॉरिटीज उसको संज्ञान में लिए हुए कार्रवाई करेंगे।
The case is being registered and the investigation will follow. Obviously, many things have to be seen. I think right now our focus is on rescue and now relief. Now we'll get into the investigation. In the next 1 or 2 days, things will become clearer.
हम जो घायल उनको कैसे बचा सकें, वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता थी। और मुझे खुशी है कि अभी 3 क्रिटिकल ज़रूर हैं, 17 गंभीर हैं, लेकिन उनको बचा पाने में हम लोग सफल हुए हैं। हमने ये भी व्यवस्था की कि अगर किसी को एयर एम्बुलेंस से भी लिफ्ट करके लाना पड़े तो हम और दूसरी जगह भी ले जाके उनका इलाज कर पाएंगे। दूसरी हमारी चिंता थी, जो मिसिंग थे, लोग मिल नहीं रहे थे, उनको ढूंढने की और परिजनों से मिलवाने की, वो हमने प्रयास किया है।
But now live from Pokraya with us is my colleague Atir Khan. Atir, have all the remains of the train been taken away? Have they been lifted away from the tracks, and all the bodies which were inside, have they been extracted?
Well, not as of now. The operation, as far as the resumption of the track is concerned, is still on, though the rescue operation has been called off because there's little hope of anybody being present there. But you know, it's a challenging task still for the railways because they have to clear the track as soon as possible. There have been many experiences, and by, you know, as the operation unrolls, there's many things which have been, you know, been learned by the people who were involved in the operations. Like there was shortage of cold cutters, there was shortage of body bags. So these are the problems which they have faced. Nevertheless, the entire operation had been carried out in a very, you know, it was a teamwork which was carried out with the railways, the NDRF, the local police, the army. They brought in their tanks. So it was a massive operation which has been carried out, but now the challenge is to clear the route as soon as possible.
All right, just stay with me, Atir, because now there is more information on what could be the possible reason behind yesterday's deadly derailment. Yesterday, remember, the MOS Railways, who had visited the spot, had suggested that there would have been a fracture in the railway tracks, which is why the sabotage angle had also come in. But India today has now learned that the tracks crack at temperatures either below 10 degrees, which means that when it's extremely cold or when it's extremely hot at about 45 degrees. The view now being formed is that the accident took place because of a fault in the wagons. Passengers reportedly heard a noise coming from the bogies from Jhansi itself. The noise was heard again at Auraiya, and the third time it was heard just before the derailment. Sources say that these tracks could not have been fractured the entire distance of 150 kilometers from Jhansi, which is when the first time the sound was heard. Well, that's Akhilesh Yadav saying that Mulayam Singh Yadav's birthday is not going to be celebrated this time around because of the train tragedy in Kanpur. Atir, but is there any conclusive evidence that has been retrieved so far to figure out what led to the accident? Is a sabotage angle still in play, or does it seem that the bogies were defective?
Well, you see, post-accident investigation at railway is a complicated procedure. There's many things which are taken into account. A rail accident takes place due to a sequence of events. So those have been put on record. Evidence has been collected. The entire, accident site has been videographed. The railways will also try to decipher, make sense of the communications which was made by the driver, the pilot of this train till the last moment. So it is a lengthy process, but the Railways Ministry has ordered an inquiry by the Commissioner of Safety also. So that will also go a long way to get to the truth, to get to the bottom of the issue. But as of now, after more than 35 hours, a decision has been taken to register an FIR. It's not going to be a normal inquest proceedings as it is known as MARG, but it will be a regular FIR which is being registered, as has been told by senior police officers and the administrative officers of Uttar Pradesh.
All right, Atir, for now, thank you very much for speaking to us. In fact, remember, reports had come in about how there was a conversation between the driver and the control room where he spoke of how, at what speed the train was traveling and how he felt a jerk before the coaches derailed. We, in fact, got in touch with the driver of the locomotive. Listen in to what he told us.
हमारा जो रेलवे का संविधान है उसके अनुसार मैं कोई भी बयान किसी से ना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से ना समाचार से किसी से कर सकता हूँ। या तो आप संविधान बदलवाइए, समझ रहे हैं? मैं आपसे पूरी बात करूंगा और आपके हर प्रश्न का उत्तर दूंगा। अभी मैं इंक्वायरी में हूँ और मेरे जो भी बयान आपको लेने हैं वो मेरे अधिकारी देंगे आपको। मुझे कुछ महसूस नहीं हुआ, मैं तो खुद गिर पड़ा था इंजन से, मालूम है आपको?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता।
हाँ, इसलिए मैं कोई अब अनकॉन्शियस हूँ, मैं अभी बयान देने तक को तैयार नहीं हूँ किसी बात का। मैं इतना घबराया हूँ।
आपको भी चोट आई है?
और क्या, क्यों नहीं आई? हमारे संविधान में जो है, यदि कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से या कोई भी समाचार पत्र से बात करता है तो उसकी नौकरी चली जाएगी। अरे भैया जी, मैं कैसे बता दूं कि क्या हुआ था? इसके लिए मैं ऑथराइज ही नहीं हूँ भैया। ये मैं कुछ नहीं बता सकता। ये पूरे इंक्वायरी का मामला है। जो DRM और ADRM वगैरह जी निश्चित करेंगे। इंक्वायरी हो रही है। अरे जिम्मेदारी वो लेंगे जो जिनने ये इंक्वायरी वगैरह करेंगे, जो उजागर होगा क्या तथ्य था।
Starting with the train tragedy in Kanpur, 24 hours after the Indore-Patna Express train derailed near Kanpur, operations are still underway to rescue those stuck inside the mangled coaches. The death toll has climbed to over 140, making this tragedy the worst disaster in the country in the last 5 years. The personnel are facing difficulties due to mangled metal of the coaches. The Army's heavy armored recovery tank is now being used to rip apart the leftover metal of the coaches. The massive rescue operation that was in fact launched after the tragedy has been called off, but the restoration work is still underway. The injured passengers have been rushed to nearby hospitals and the government has assured all the help that can be given to them. Heartbreaking scenes were witnessed at the hospital as relatives of the deceased broke down on seeing their loved ones who did not survive. Officials have also begun the process of identifying the deceased in this tragedy. The issue resonated in the Lok Sabha as well, where Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu briefed the session over the accident. A rail board meeting is underway where the details of the incident would be underlined and reviewed.
यहाँ पर जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ बहुत ही दुखद घटना हुई और उसमें जो रिलीफ रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन हम लोग कल से ही उसको लगातार मॉनिटर कर रहे थे। कुछ वरिष्ठ अधिकारी भी हम लोग यहाँ मौके पर भेजे थे। प्रायोरिटी था कि लोगों को बचाव कार्य और जो इंजर्ड है उनकी इलाज और जो मृतक है उनको उनके परिजन को उनकी डेड बॉडीज भी सौंप दिया जाए आफ्टर द ड्यू लीगल प्रोसेस ऑफ पोस्टमार्टम एटसेट्रा। अब देखिए, ये तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन और उसकी इंक्वायरी की बात है, तो हम लोग जो मुकदमा वगैरह जो दर्ज होना है, केस रजिस्टर होना है, वो कार्रवाई हो रही है और आगे फिर हो रहा है। उसमें डीजी रेलवेज भी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं
और किन
अब वो डिटेल्स उसमें वो कर रहे हैं, डीजी रेलवेज ऑलरेडी कानपुर में हैं और वो उसको सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं। तो जैसे केस रजिस्टर होता है, केस रजिस्टर किया जाएगा उसमें।
The case is being registered and the investigation will follow. Obviously, many things have to be seen. I think right now our focus is on rescue and now relief. Now we'll get into the investigation. In the next 1 or 2 days, things will become clearer.
हम जो घायल उनको कैसे बचा सकें वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता थी और मुझे खुशी है कि अभी 3 क्रिटिकल ज़रूर हैं, 17 गंभीर हैं, लेकिन उनको बचा पाने में हम लोग सफल हुए हैं। हमने ये भी व्यवस्था की कि अगर किसी को एयर एम्बुलेंस से भी लिफ्ट करके लाना पड़े तो हम और दूसरी जगह भी ले जाके उनका इलाज कर पाएंगे। दूसरी हमारी चिंता थी जो मिसिंग थे, लोग मिल नहीं रहे थे, उनको ढूंढने की और परिजनों से मिलवाने की, वो हमने प्रयास किया है।
My colleague Kamaljeet Kaursandu got us this detail of the tragedy from the Harlet Hospital in Kanpur, where several injured victims are being treated. Few survivors have been frantically searching for their missing family members.
We're in the ward number 1 of Harlet Hospital, where there are patients here, but outnumbering those patients are those volunteers who've come to help. These are all common people who are making a help. First of all, we'll talk to this 12-year-old child. He's distributing soup here. Do tell us, where are you from? What class are you really in? And what's the effort that you're putting in?
I am from Swaraj India Public School.
And you are here to help out all those patients who are victims of this train mishap?
Yes.
And did your father tell you this, or is this a voluntary work you wanted to do?
I want to do.
All right, he's all smiling. He's been giving hot soup. We'll talk to more people. सर आप बताइए, आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं? हमने देखा आप लोग मेथी के पराठे लेकर आए हैं, काफी लेकर आए हैं। कितना क्वांटिटी में
कल
लेकर?
शाम को 3 बजे से हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए थे। सबसे पहले हमने चाय से स्टार्ट किया था, चाय बिस्किट बन। यहाँ पे उनके जो इंजर्ड हैं जो लोग, उनके साथ जो लोग हैं वो भी बहुत परेशान हैं, उन्होंने कुछ खाया नहीं था। तो ओवरनाइट हम लोग जो है यहाँ पे वॉलंटरी करते रहे और चाय का आज सुबह से हम लोगों ने नाश्ते
खाना वाना तो कम नहीं पड़ता?
नहीं, खाने वाने कोई कम नहीं है। बस ये है कि हम लोग खास तौर से हम लोगों ने एक ग्रुप जो है वो दुआओं पे भी बैठा रखा है कि वो लोग अपने दुआएं करें ताकि इन लोगों को जल्द से जल्द सेहतयाब हो जाए।
So it's really heartening to see these number of people, and if you can try and see, most of them, they would have some packets, food packets already put here, water, all being distributed. In times of crisis, the common man has risen. They've risen not just to the challenge, they've shown they have a big heart. We'll try and speak to a few people. आप ये बताइए, आप यहाँ पर आई हैं, सब सुविधा के हिसाब से आपको सब मिल रहा है? काफी आम जनता भी आ रही है देने के लिए सामान?
हाँ, आ रही है।